So in this lesson, we're just going to be able to write an equation and then solve it for the word problem. So in this example, it says Brian rented a truck for 1 day. There was a base fee of $19.99, and there was an additional charge of 87 cents for each mile driven. So that means he's going to pay for all the miles that he drives, plus a $19.99 just one-time fee. That's what a base fee means, just going to do it one time. He paid a total of $254.02 when he returned the truck. So how many miles did he drive? So we kind of list out the information that we're given. We don't know how many miles he drove. That's X. He has a base fee. That's what we're going to add on, $19.99. The charge per mile is 87 cents, which we want to write with a decimal, and this is the total amount that he paid. So we want to write the equation that he's going to pay $19.99, and then he's going to pay 87 cents for each mile, which means he needs to multiply that by how many miles he drives, and this will give his total. And then we solve for X just like we normally do. So we're going to subtract $19.99, and then we'll divide by 87 cents and get that he drove for 269 miles. So we're going to have to write our equation and then solve. So in this particular problem, for his long distance phone service, Chang pays a $2 monthly fee plus 12 cents per minute. Last month, his long distance bill was $15.08. For how many minutes was he billed? Okay, so we're going to have X is how many minutes he was billed. We have the $2 was the base fee. He's charged 12 cents per minute. Which I would write as a decimal. And then total paid is $15.08. So we're going to write an equation just like in the example. So we have $2 plus, if it's 12 cents a minute, we have to do 12 cents times every minute, and then the total was $15.08. So we're going to subtract 2, and then we're going to take that answer and divide by 12 hundredths. So let's use our calculator. $15.08 minus $2 is $13.08. So I didn't want to use a calculator for that because I already know 15 minus 2 is 13. And then I'm going to divide by 0.12. And that gives me 108 minutes that he spoke on the phone. Okay, one of the digits in your answer is wrong. Check your work carefully. Oh, and under 9. Oh, did you guys probably saw that? And okay, excellent. So let's do the next problem. Gina received a $90 gift card for a coffee store. She used it in buying some coffee that cost $8.66 per pound. After buying the coffee, she had $38.04 left on her card. How many pounds of coffee did she buy? So the $90 is the total on the card. She spent $8.66 per pound of coffee. And then her total after spending was $38.04. So because she's spending money, we're going to subtract it from the what was on the card to begin with. So we're going to do 90 minus $8.66 times X. Oh yeah, X is the number of pounds she bought. I forgot the X part. And then what was left is $38.04. So on this one, we're going to subtract 90 because that's positive. So we'll subtract 90. We're going to get a negative number, but we're going to divide by negative 8.66. Okay, so we're going to have a negative divided by negative. So we'll get our calculator out, and I'm going to do 38.90. Oh, no, 0.04. 0.04 minus 90. Ah, my goodness gracious. Equals, and then I'm going to take that number and divide it by a negative 8.66. So wait, you can't see much. Let me erase some of these words that are in my way. There we go. Okay, so I had, when I subtracted, I got a negative number divided by another negative. This should give me a positive 6. So she purchased 6 pounds. Make sure I type that correctly. There we go. Okay, and that's the end of the lesson.